Hey there, today we're going to look at Foxit PDF Editor Tutorial 2026, so let's get started. First, open Foxit PDF Editor and load the PDF you want to work on. Over here, click the Edit tab at the top. Then, select the text you want to modify and type in your changes. After that, use the Format panel on the right to adjust font size, style, or alignment. Then, go to the Annotate tab to add comments. Over here, click the Highlight tool and drag over any text you want to highlight. After that, choose the Note tool to insert pop-up notes anywhere on the page. Then, use the Underline or Strikeout tool if you want to mark specific content. After that, click the Organize tab to manage pages. Over here, select Insert to add new pages. Then, choose Extract if you want to pull pages out. After that, click Delete to remove unwanted pages. Then, go to the Convert tab for file conversions. Over here, click to Word to convert your PDF into an editable Word document. After that, select to Excel, to PowerPoint, or to Image depending on your need. Then, choose the Output folder and save your converted file. After that, click File, then Save or Save as to store the final edited PDF. Over here, choose your location and confirm the save. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.